a weekend update here for you guys. But before I start my video, let me inform you that I won't be able to reply your DMs as I'll be traveling back to the UK on Sunday. So it's going to be long flight. If you DM me or text me, I won't be able to reply your DMs. In today's video, I'm going to talk about few zones I have sent to members, the way we enter the trade using these zones, and few entries we have taken this week. I'm going to talk all about that. So it's going to be beneficial for you to understand the way we enter the trades. Now, if you want to skip this part of the video, that's totally up to you. I'm going to put a timestamp up there. If you are someone who just want to listen to the analysis part of the video, feel free to skip to the timestamp you are seeing on your screens. So an awesome week in the priority group. We took 3 trades, 3 Forex trades, and all 3 were the winning trades, and we entered with the exact rules. So we had this trade, one of the pullback strategy members are learning, and the premium members are learning with the exact rules to enter this trade. But as you can see, this was a winning trade. Right here we entered at this Engulfor, and with that, as you can see, the price hit our take profit right here. And as you can see, the price pushes down, as I knew that we had a good level of resistance from where the price is likely to push down. That is why I had my take profit just below this zone in case the price can push down, and that is exactly what happens. Price hit the take profit that was set according to the ATR, and instantly after that, price just pushed down. This is what you learn in the priority group. As you can see on the screen, I show you how to enter this trade and what candlestick you need to look at once you enter the trades. Now, I got this question asked a lot, that what is the difference between priority group and the premium membership. So basically, in priority group, I send you these trade alerts with some rules showing you the candlestick pattern and the way I am entering the trade personally, and with that you enter the trade with myself. Now, if you are a premium member, if you're learning the full course, you will learn every single thing from basics to the intermediate to the advanced section, and you do not need to wait for my trade alert. Once you see this type of entry pattern, you know that this is a signal, and this is the valid signal. And trust me guys, in order to get a valid signal, we need to look at 6 rules. This engulfing candle does not itself create a signal. We have 6 rules. Once we have all the 6 rules are met, we enter the trade. Now, if you look at this engulfing candle right here, that is an invalid entry, but that is a valid entry. That is something I can't explain in a single video and in the trade alerts. That is why premium member knows the exact rules how to enter the trades. Now, we had lots of opportunities in the market, something like this, a pullback entries, and we had an aggressive entry. The premium members will be learning in the advanced section, which I'm going to go through in a moment. So over there, you know the exact rules, the way you can enter the trade. You don't have to wait for my signals, and also this is not a signal group. That is why I sent 3 trade alerts. But in the market, we had so many opportunities, so many trades which I have personally taken using all the strategies which premium members are learning. That is what you're going to learn there. So this was the one winning trade we got, and let me show you one more. So right here we got a nice entry condition, all the rules are met, and with that the price hit our take profit. That was a JPY trade, and that was a nice winning trade. We entered at this Engulfor with all the rules are met, and that was a winning trade. As one of the aggressive entry, the premium member will learn in the advanced section. Again, if you are in the intermediate section, please do not try to look at these entries, as it will do nothing but just confuse you. So stick with the intermediate section at this point. So this is the one of the entry that happened in the area of value with all the rules are met, and this is how with this nice engulfing candle, and you might have seen me taking this type of entry on my YouTube videos as well. So this is one of the entry I have taken this week as well, and as you can see, a nice 144 pips take profit has been hit out of my major area of value. And we had more trades in the priority group. I don't want to make this video much longer. That is why I just want to show you 2 trades. And now I want to show you the zones which I send members every Sunday for commodities and Monday and Tuesday for Forex zones. So let's check the zone here which I have sent to members. As you can see, this was a zone I've sent to the member. I've already informed them that we have this trend continuation zone, and with that we had an entry confirmation, and this is also one of the advanced pattern Fibonacci pullback strategy that is in the advanced section. If you are in the intermediate section, please do not look at the advanced section at this point. I want you to learn the intermediate section first before you move ahead to advanced section. So this was one of the advanced Fibonacci pullback strategy. With that, we had also an aggressive entry that you will learn in the advanced section. So as you can see, this zone I send to the priority members as well. Priority members also get these zones every week. And as you can see, the price has fallen down out of my zone. And one more zone I want to go through right here, Euro New Zealand. As you can see, the price did fall from my zone dramatically. As you can see, 200 pips down. So there are more zones I sent to members, around 6 to 7 zones for Forex and 3 to 4 commodity zones every week. So this is how we enter the trade with the exact rules in priority group. Again guys, if you want to join priority group, link is in description. It is not a signal group, it is a group if you want to learn and if you want to receive these zones so that you know when to enter the trade using the accurate zones. So these are the trade alerts and the zones members received every single week. Priority members and premium members, they both receive these zones every single week. So with that being said, let's quickly start our analysis with net gas, gold, silver and crude oil today, starting with our favorite commodity, net gas. Right here. So let's start with currency.com. I'm going to go through Owanda as well. Now, as you can see, as mentioned in my last video, that we can expect a push down and we can expect a double bottom action. After this gap is filled right here, we got another push up and then we had a nice double bottom action. With that, we had a nice 382 candle as well. Now, I've already informed members who are in touch with me on Instagram that we have an entry confirmation right here. We do have an entry confirmation on Owanda as well, which I'm going to go through in a moment. I don't want to confuse members here. These are the members who are already in touch with me on Instagram. I have not sent a trade alert to members with stops and target. I've just informed them on DMs that we have an entry confirmation. So don't get alarmed here that I did not receive an email. The members who are in touch with me on Instagram, I keep them updated with the moves only if they ask me if we have an entry confirmation, because this is also added with your priority membership. Right here, if you see right here on the screens, priority response, Instagram DMs. That is what I'm talking about. This is something you need to send me a text on DM and ask me to keep you in a loop. So this was one of the entry condition we had, and looking at that, I'm expecting at least 1 to 2 ATR push up from here as we have a valid bullish confirmation. I won't be entering sell trade until the price is completely broken below this minor support. Until then, we have a good confirmation. The only hurdle we have is this 20 EMA. Once this 20 EMA is broken, I'm expecting a good shoot up. So keep an eye here. We have a good bullish candle to take our long trades, not selling at this point. Now if the price continues to push up, let's say we have a dramatic push up, and if the price opens in gap, this is the next zone, 7.181 goes up to 7.690. This is the next zone. We still have this zone from where I want to look for my counter trades as engulfers or a double top pattern. And if the price opens crazily in gap down, then the conditions will be changed and I will update you guys accordingly. Right here, what do we have? We have a nice engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle, as you can see, and that is also a bullish signal that happened above 50 EMA. If you are my premium member, you know we have a valid entry right here, and with that 1 ATR will be the target, and you can also use the second target which you learn as well. So 1 ATR or 2 ATR stop loss can be below this wick or 1 ATR. That's totally up to you how you want to place your stop loss. Now looking at that, this is the zone from where I want to take my counter trades as engulfers or double top or inverted hammer or a pin bar or a 382 candle, whatever you want to call it. The zone is 6.868 goes up to 7.186. This is a zone from where I want to enter my sell trade, one of the bearish reason to enter our trades. So keep an eye here. Price looks bullish to me and I'm not entering any sell trades until we are in this zone. And looking at the fact, we have a nice engulfing pattern. Let's check gold. So right here, gold has now pushed down, broken below 50 EMA. We did not get any sort of reason to enter at 50 EMA. Now at this point, we have a trend continuation zone which is 1796 goes up to 1811. This is the zone from where we can expect another push down. As the price is below this level of resistance, we can expect a hit of this zone, a retest, and then a possible fall. Once I see a reason to enter here, I will take my sell trades accordingly. So I'm not entering any trades here. If we have a good push up with a pullback and engulfer, then I will look for my buy trades if I get a reason to enter buy trades. Otherwise, if I have a strong bearish condition here, I will take my sell trade if I have a condition something like this. So keep an eye on this zone. Price is approaching the resistance and a possible retest for sell trades. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is a decision zone. As you can see, this doji, and that is also indecisions between buyers and sellers. Now at this point, price is still in between the level of support, so do not enter sell trades until we are completely broken below this zone and also below this previous wick, broken and close both. Once I see that, then I will start taking my sell trades only. At this point, price can still push up, and if we have a break above 50 and 20 EMA, we have a very likely chance that the price will continue to push up at least this previous high right here. So keep an eye on these zones. Let's check silver. So as you can see, silver is pushing up and hitting this previous level of resistance. Price can still push up to the top level of resistance right here, which is 23.48. And if we have a reason to enter sell trade, we will only look for sell entry confirmation. But if I see another green candle pull back and an engulfing candle, then I will take long trades using ATR for my target. So it is also in between the decision zones. I will check my entries accordingly. Don't get confused. If we have a reason to sell here, bearish engulfer, that will be your sell signal. So keep an eye here for silver as well. So that is it for commodities, guys. If you have any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I hope you trade green rest of the week and have an awesome weekend. Take care.